Humanoid robots are closer than ever to becoming the walking, talking, synthetic members of society we've only seen before in sci-fi movies. Elon Musk has the Tesla Optimus Generation 2, the US military has the Atlas, China has the Qinlong, Russia has the Fyodor and the Skybot F-50. Humanoid robots have been developed to the point that they are currently capable of healthcare assistance, entertainment and hospitality, using firearms, and testing military equipment. And these are just some of the things humanoid robots will be able to do in the future. No wonder Elon Musk is concerned for our future. As one of the leaders in the technology innovation world, Musk has had a hand in the development of robotics, cars, and OpenAI, and he sees trouble on the horizon for humans. How will people be able to compete with tireless robots who can perform a job perfectly every time? Will it mean our ultimate prosperity, or simply the replacement of human workers? This concern is what drove Elon Musk to create Neuralink. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk in 2016 with the goal of developing advanced brain-machine interfaces. The company's primary focus is on creating devices that can be implanted in the human brain to facilitate direct communication between the brain and computers. These devices are ultra-thin threads equipped with electrodes to detect and interpret neural signals. Neuralink aims to revolutionize the treatment of neurological conditions, enhance human cognitive abilities, and ultimately create a symbiotic relationship between humans and artificial intelligence. Neuralink is preparing to perform more human brain implant surgeries before the end of 2024. The first implant was performed on Noland Abrog in 2023, a 29-year-old from Arizona who was paralyzed from the shoulders down due to an accident in 2016. However, only 15% of the electrode-bearing threads implanted in Noland's brain were functioning correctly. The other 85% of the threads became displaced, and many of those that remained received little to no signals and were deactivated. The second implant will be part of a broader plan to have up to 9 individuals receive the implant by the end of 2024. Neuralink has achieved a significant milestone by becoming the first company to receive FDA approval for the commercial use of their BCI devices. BCI stands for Brain-Computer Interface. Elon shared a message on X stating that a Neuralink implant would enable a person to control their phone, computer, and by extension other devices just by thinking. Musk also stated that the initial users of the implants would be people who have lost the use of their limbs. Victims of paralysis would stand to benefit the most from this kind of technology, so Elon wants them to get first access to it. Once it is properly developed and tested, the procedure for implantation proven to be safe and effective. Neuralink's brain-computer interface, named Telepathy, uses 64 ultra-fine threads inserted directly into brain tissue. These threads, which are thinner than a human hair, are equipped with 1,024 electrodes designed to capture and interpret neural signals. This device aims to restore functionality and improve the quality of life for patients with severe neurological conditions. Musk has also said the company was at work on another product named Blind Sight that will allow the blind to see. The second attempt at the Neuralink implantation will involve implanting the finer-than-hair wires 8mm deep into the brain, whereas the first procedure only attempted 3 to 5 millimeters. Brain damage resulting from the implantation has been a major concern since initiative began. Elon Musk has stated that the device does not harm the brain, and while the FDA initially had safety concerns, these concerns were eventually addressed and the FDA granted approval for the company to begin human trials in 2023. With that assurance aside, health professionals and individuals alike are still apprehensive. While the benefits to those who have suffered from paralysis and other debilitating conditions will greatly benefit, that's only part of the picture. We have all used computers and electronics, and we know that they can be buggy. If we have a device implanted directly into our brain that is able to send out signals out, does that mean that we will also be at the mercy of hackers who want to get signals in? What kind of damage or trauma could hackers cause if they succeed in getting direct access to their victims' brains? Not only that, but there are more practical concerns to consider. How will an electronic device in your head react when you need an MRI and experience magnetism? What about EMI, electromagnetic interface devices such as high voltage transformers and radio transmitters? What about security systems, such as those in airports? Even a microwave oven can potentially interfere with Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, and pacemakers. When we take into account all the ways this could go wrong, it becomes obvious that there is a long ways to go before we should get too excited about a brain-computer interface. Brain-computer interface chips have been around for many years. In 2006, researchers documented the first instance of a brain chip enabling a tetraplegic patient to control a neural cursor for tasks such as opening email, operating devices, and manipulating a prosthetic hand and a robotic arm. This breakthrough utilized a Utah array, a chip containing 96 electrodes that penetrated up to 1.5 millimeters into brain tissue. Elon Musk has emphasized the need for Neuralink, his brain-machine interface company, for several key reasons. Medical applications. Musk often highlights the potential of Neuralink to address various neurological conditions, such as paralysis, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and spinal cord injuries. By creating a direct interface between the brain and computers, Neuralink aims to restore the lost functions and improve the quality of life for patients with these conditions. Symbiosis with AI. Musk has expressed concerns about the potential existential threat posed by artificial intelligence, AI. He believes that Neuralink could serve as a way for humans to keep up with and coexist with advanced AI by creating a high bandwidth connection between the human brain and machines. This would allow humans to integrate with AI rather than being outpaced by it. Cognitive enhancement. Beyond medical applications, Musk envisions Neuralink as a means to enhance human cognitive abilities. This could include memory improvement, faster learning, and even the ability to communicate telepathically. Long-term vision. Musk's long-term vision for Neuralink includes enabling humans to upload and download thoughts and memories, which could fundamentally transform human experiences and capabilities. This aligns with his broader goals of advancing human potential and ensuring the survival and prosperity of humanity. If you think mankind is ready for neural implants, let us know in the comments below. If you think it's a mistake, let us know that too. Usbot wants to hear both sides of the issue. Good day, humanoids.